This rough opal piece weighs 51 carats and it's quite big. It's got colour that goes all the way, or the good colour bar goes all the way around to the back. You can see there, nice red colour bar, and then there's a blue colour bar. So if we turn it over this way, you can see how that colour faces. And I would take all of this potch off and face it so you're facing that colour throughout the whole piece. You'll get gorgeous, beautiful crystals rather than a dark potch opaque grey opal. So that would be my little trick.